In this video, I'll show you how to delete a NordVPN account. If you find this guide helpful, please think about subscribing and giving a thumbs up. It really supports the channel and helps us continue creating great content. Use my affiliate link in the description to create an account for 70% off and 3 months extra. You might want to delete your NordVPN account due to a lack of need for VPN services or dissatisfaction with the performance or features offered. Additionally, privacy concerns or financial considerations could motivate the decision. To delete your NordVPN account, start by opening the NordVPN application on your PC. Once the application is open, navigate to the top right corner of the homepage, where you will find various options. Click on the Help Center to access support resources that can assist you with your account management. After you have clicked on the Help Center, you will be directed to a new page. Here, look for the chatbot icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This chatbot is designed to provide you with quick assistance for your inquiries. When you click on it, the chatbot will prompt you to enter your credentials. Make sure to input the necessary information to authenticate your account. Clearly communicate your intention to delete your account by stating that you want to delete your NordVPN account. The chatbot will respond with a deletion form tailored for your request. Click on the link to access this form. Now, it's time to fill out the deletion form. Ensure that you provide all the required details accurately, including your reason for account deletion. This information helps NordVPN improve their services and understand user needs better. After you have completed the form, click on the Submit button to send your request. Upon submission, a ticket for the deletion of your account will be generated. You will also receive a confirmation email regarding your request. Keep an eye on your inbox for any updates related to your ticket. Once your request is approved, your NordVPN account will be permanently deleted, and you will receive another notification confirming this action. So, that's it. For more tips and tutorials, make sure to subscribe. Use my affiliate link in the description to create an account for 70% off and 3 months extra. Thanks for watching.